Alright, so I have a request this week to go over a few pairs, and I'm just going to do a little bit of analyzation for you guys and show some market direction where I believe the market's going to be going. So first off, we have pound, British pound, Australian dollar. Now, what we're looking at is an uptrend. We're waiting for the higher high to be placed, and I do believe, because we do have some strong daily demand down here that hasn't been reached. Whoop, where'd it go? There it goes. Alright, because we have some strong daily demand right here that hasn't been reached, I do believe this is going to be a false higher low and will be broken. Another reason, this is also a 50% retracement that lines up right in, almost dead in the middle of our demand zone. So for pound Australian dollar, even though I do expect it to go down, I still wouldn't take any sells because I don't trade against the trend. Simply, it's just not. You don't have any real targets, put it that way. So we have pound dollar. Now let's go pound Australian dollar. Now let's go to pound US dollar. Give it a minute. Alright, there we go. Now for this one, what this color is, this is a 4-hour demand zone, daily demand zone, which is blue, and then our grayish one, which is our weekly demand zone. So what's expected here is it is in an uptrend. Stepping on down to the weekly, because that was the daily at first. Alright, any second. Alright, finally, there we go. So let me zoom in. There we go. So this is the weekly. We haven't had our weekly. Hold on. Why did it go back to pound Australian dollar? Let's go to pound US dollar. There we go. Because we already did pound Australian dollar. I can do that again. Weird computer. Alright. Uptrend. This was a false lower high. Because it is an uptrend. That's why I would never trade against the true trend. We already had our daily demand reached, and it was twice. So now what we're expecting is a higher high. If you're going to take any buys, I suggest your target be somewhere right there, here in this area, on this monthly zone. I have my monthly and I have my weeklies, which they're not labeled like that right now. They all say monthly, but I have a monthly and a weekly, and this one right here happens to be a monthly, which is a strong zone. So I would say price will definitely reach this point in its uptrend before it makes a big retracement. And I have one more to do. Let me go get it. One more pair. If you guys have any pairs, just let me know and we can go over them, and I'll put them out on this YouTube channel. I'm actually in this trade since a little while ago, but I'm definitely in a buy. Still strong uptrend. Higher high, higher low, higher high. Let's check it on down to the daily. Well, I was in a buy. Now that I'm looking at it now, I'm kind of going against that bias. I wouldn't be long on this. Let me just take that off. That was from 2 weeks ago. Started back here, I believe. Something like that. Alright. What I'm really waiting for is this demand zone to be reached, because it's also a 786 retracement. This 618 doesn't look to be holding strong, so I am expecting a downward push to create a real higher low, because I feel like these are false higher lows, which tricks a lot of people. Don't be one of those people that get tricked. Pay attention to the market. Pay attention to this channel. We're going to be going over pairs. I just want to know what you guys are going to be going over, what you want me to go over. So if you can, go ahead and leave a comment in this section. In the comment section, get a hold of me on my Instagram, and I always get back to everybody. Just let me know what pairs you guys want to go over, and I'll analyze them. I'll go over them, and then we can go from there. That's going to be all for this video. Only 3 pairs. yeah, get at me if you want me to mark up a pair for you, and we can go over it together.